Buyamono kigima omurigereria bwensoko no kwegena kwa nebuna nigo gendrete buya nabo igorit koriao nigo rigendrete buya kerongo kwarigania ase emeza yetu ya mangana Amayia ye Chinsa Ikomi ase nchira yobwenge kuruga iga ensoko TV oboroso bwo mugusi eretariane Linet Nyambane. Amayia totoko ya chakira kurwa ase county ya Kisii asa abantu babere basiriri ubugima bwabo kubwatekana no mubasukano mubebwe para ase pare nene ya mugonga kenyenya baberabwo nigo baringa omokonyi bw'eskuru yobugoso omokonyi bwo morokyo monene bw'eskuru yoboroso yariamo amo no mogendi bwe pigipigi uyo taramanyikana wikabono
Tigali chichi ali kubinyoka nibere cyale ngamo kyale go ike ngangwa fate kiyenge yanyoro mungwano bwe pigipigi ni gabo goletio musubatu enge madam omuikera kara kabako kwa mungwano na basi nyugotama negali ri yasi nyugo control yesenge yenge speed yanene.
This morning ne duanyora mangana yo moichano nga madam Pascalia ke muntokech otonyorire iga tonyora sekerare ngenchera goja se skuru onyoro mopaso kana aliangene skuru yo ali mobera rogoro ne batu mune gari ni go twa manyigu ngani go basira mono uri mobwata bwe pigipigi uri ore kogendie pigipigi
nali go saba abandi bonsi abantu bamwe basoka kuruka omusibati oko tebekano kosomiriamo no mumura bwe pigipigi mutaramanya asibaberete accident yabero mobera aki nabo mukufuatiria no nyengo chimocha limumanyenga abantu abaiga nabantu baino banyora accident yaso mobera
asense amuyete ya boda abanyagali ngotomisa bale kibago tomisera umunyagali gagocha batekyo yo mwaba senjonje mbwate gali enke onsuguma gochia Kenya igonche ngwana tagotarero mutaro emetintarere para igoro abana boda baminto ntuanja togo itu tokoera abara ibatorora kinga kibago tobeka ekine gento ya kabere kya gatatu neke tara ne elimeti ya lakini frete tego tanga nga totuomu torendu para nto tumaya kwerenda tobeke reflect tobeke elimeti na anda mabati ye stage abachamani ba mintando onsi esore kabana boda ba amabati munabona yo kunsa igo kuri stage ya tobori tabwati bati igota konyane
Togotigaraga bwase county ya Kisii ase oyo kabeire omonachebi no monene imeyense Erimeriat David Maraga ritkoria rero nigabo mogeni omonene ase aborokirwa bari kubekerwa chigutwa ase omobagani oyomo gosoma omobagani o Camel Park gokwana nabariki bamangana Amayia maega yomoyegoyo Maraga nigagikeiri omoroberi bwe serikali bokwena na chibese go empowerment nabo igo asabo igagikeiri esabari yabarai kogenda ase nyomba yoborai bwense.
Question I've been asked is about what is happening in the country, the state of the affairs. You have seen members, the deputy president and other ministers going around distributing money in the form of empowerment. Some of them have even gone to State House that they are going to, and have received money there. What nobody has told you is where this money is coming from. The simple fact is that this is money which has been taken from public coffers and it is being given to the public as though it is donations from the president and his government. This is your money which has been stolen from you and it is bribery in advance of the 27 elections. And that should not be in doubt at all. Because as I've said, there is no budget line where that money has come from, and that's what is creating all the problems.
Mwancho murigereria ni gotoko genda gwika ase county ya Nyamira ase omowaziri boborendi boime Kipchumba Murkomen emambia yeritkoria rero ni gakoriga ikaro ne bitabo byoborendi erikumanya ebitugetie oborendi ase county ya Nyamira gukwana ekerekyo Murkomen ni gaorokire gwichana kwae kubwatikana n'ubwiti bw'abasubati obotibongi amo naboigo ebikoro by'obusario ebikorengana nera atebire nigo bikoretwa kubwatikana n'okuborwa kwemeremo are nayo nigo boigo airari bagerio gwakira ekoko omoroberi bw'agachi bw'echinyumba Chinsa kurwa ase eserekari.
We need to be confidential. We want to work together as a team. Jukwaa la usalama sio baraza ya hapa headquarters naishia hapa. Ningependa sasa mkitoka hapa OCS na ACC waende wapange baraza locally huko, work with the team and agree how we are going to work together.
Sometimes I fear taking my boss to come and see where I'm working from. So our request as chiefs and assistant chiefs is that let the government consider us and build for us offices which are representable and they represent the face of the government.
Gotigana nayo omurigereria omuraibu ense ya Kenya William Ruto orarire buna ense yomoroberi osha keromo Kenya niga guchikonyora oborwaire kurwa ase chinyagitari ao muchando nde utayo gukwana ase nyumba y'oboraibu ense Ruto niga mentre goteba buna aba Kenya chimilioni 2.2 nigo baguchikonyora obokonyi inse yomoroberi oyo
ambao raisi ataweza kuelekeza leo utakueleza wewe kama mwananchi kuingia katika hospitali, kuangalia ID yako ama kuweka kidole chako na hospitali itaweza kukupa matibabu. Na nataka niwaeleze huu mradi wa SHA sponsorship program. Wewe kama Mkenya, Kenya wa mbalimbali kwa uwezo mbalimbali utaweza kuingia hata hospitali ya Aga Khan, ufanyiwe check na kama unahitaji hii ambayo inaitwa kidney transplant, SHA itaweza kukugharamia 1.12 million Kenya shillings katika huu mradi. Kama umeingia kwa bodaboda ukavunjika mguu, unahitaji upelekwe surgery ufiksiwe hiyo mguu, SHA inagharamia 300,000 ukiingia kwa hospitali.
And as I encourage other leaders, other development partners, more institutions, philanthropists, friends, people of goodwill to come on board and support us in this big push to make sure that health becomes a reality for every Kenyan and a right that we have all in our constitution spoken to. I must also say 4 more things that are important for us to deliver on health. We are working on with counties, ama tunafanya kazi na county government zetu, kwa sababu tukiwa na pesa ya kulipia gharama ya afya, lazima hiyo huduma ipatikane. No? Even as we prepare ourselves to pay, we must have that service. And that service must be of the highest quality. And that is why we are working with counties so that we can assist counties to have the requisite equipment to deliver on.
Nakorwa ase county ya Machakos omugabana we county yo musubati wa Finya Ndeti ritkoria rero nigo asioririe ntunda ya gatatu yenkoyo ya governor wa Finya Cup eyo erobeire gocha kogosarigwa ase chinsemo ao imeyense omoyego bogo sioria enkoyeyo nigo korekana ase getigie kanisa ya Catholic Kizoini ase ward ya Mbumbuni North ase abamenyi bense meyubekerana ase omoyego yo ase bamuchengera omugavana yo kubwatikana negasi yaye
ambao raisi ataweza kuelekeza leo utakueleza wewe kama mwananchi kuingia katika hospitali, kuangalia ID yako ama kuweka kidole chako na hospitali itaweza kukupa matibabu. Na nataka niwaeleze huu mradi wa SHA sponsorship program. Wewe kama Mkenya, Kenya wa mbalimbali kwa uwezo mbalimbali utaweza kuingia hata hospitali ya Aga Khan, ufanyiwe check na kama unahitaji hii ambayo inaitwa kidney transplant, SHA itaweza kukugharamia 1.12 million Kenya shillings katika huu mradi. Kama umeingia kwa bodaboda ukavunjika mguu na hitaji upelekwe surgery.
Mwancho motegereri tugusaba kwabera sengencho kuburukana gwa roboti uri tigatonyoro oroboti ubu ase enchira ya bene.
Today I'm very excited as I officially launch this third edition of the Governor Wavinya Cup, a county-wide soccer tournament that my government has proudly organized since 2022. A good number of highly talented young men and women have already been scouted by both local and international clubs, and a clear demonstration that Machakos County is indeed a home for talents. This year, the tournament promises to be bigger and better. We shall have a record of 650 teams drawn from across the 40 wards. This edition is special because it goes beyond football under the theme Nurturing Talent, Greening Our Future and Empowering Generations. We have introduced new activities and inventions to enrich the program, including training, scouting, sports clinics led by legends across the world.
Nakurwa ase Chinsa Cheisko omonene bw'egikosi ky'abanyanyimbo bare asense ya Haiti Godfrey Otunge otebire abanyanyimbo ba Kenya abo bare imeyomochi Oport AU Prince bakorire emereme emiya y'oburendi asokorusya ebibago bya barbecue kurwa ase chipara chomochoyu.
We lost one officer, Kaitwai, who was the first that we lost when they were fighting and exchanging in Antibonite, and we did a very honorable send-off, and we still remain to consider him as our hero. And as we are talking even right now, he has been awarded posthumously with a medal because he's part and parcel of this mission. And again, the second one that we lost was just the last 1.5 weeks when we had an accident. When our officers were coming from Kenskov, we had an accident and we lost one officer who, as of today, we are doing preparations on how to repatriate the body back to Kenya. And he remains to be our hero because he died on the line of duty. The last one is the person who is missing in action. One officer who is still missing in action. And as we are talking right now, we put all the mechanism in place to ensure that we get our officer back. These victories belong to the Haitian people. They reflect their hope, resilience, and the shared commitment of our forces, drawn from the Bahamas, El Salvador, Guatemala, Jamaica, and Kenya, to the rebirth of Haiti. As the mission endeavors to keep Haiti safe, observance of human rights by mission personnel remains to be its utmost priority. In July 2025, the mission celebrated 1 year of zero tolerance to human rights violation and sexual exploitation and abuse. This is a great milestone that the MSS is proud of as it continues to adhere to internationally accepted practices as guided by the mission key pillar documents. Since our deployment as MSS on June 25, 2024, we have been confident that MSS is a mission possible. Henceforth, we have been duty-bound, guided by a singular objective to help re-establish security and support the Haitian National Police against gang violence and create the conditions necessary for free and fair elections in Haiti. In pursuit of its mandate, the MSS mission has so far disrupted criminal networks and repelled numerous gang attacks, liberating key areas of Port-au-Prince and beyond from the grip of gang violence. Further to this, schools have reopened, markets are bustling again, hospitals, some of them have resumed operations, and families are currently returning to their homes.
Omorigere bwensoko na gwikira gabu no tuguchwikira omweri bwa mang'ana itamaya ye Chinsa Ikomi chabo no mogoroba amang'ana ndamaya ni gorachiko yanyora century yo gwikirano egochikoraga enseyemo nabo ego Chinsa isato chiarero butko orachikomerana na Clinton Ondigi asarabe ga ukumanya ari arabe ga gwateka korwa Chinsemo ao kwa niaba ya bari baineki chibicha nabo ego erioge ngo gwikira rira century bwenerete tuwakira mbuya mono kigima kero tugusabogendre gutwara omogoroba umuya erietariane Linet Nyambane.